The power of first impressions. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Again, if you're getting value from this video or other videos, leave us a like, leave us a review, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media. All right, we are about to put on the market a $2.5 million property. It's absolutely stunning. This house had some deferred maintenance, so we wanted to document the before and after. You'll see some pictures come across here. This particular house had a concrete roof. That roof has got a life expectancy of over 60 years, but it had a lot of discoloration because of trees and debris over the years. So you'll see some before and afters because buyers, let alone buyer's agents, have a difficult time of envisioning what the finished product or what the house all cleaned up would look like. And so I've, over the years, have put together nearly 20 before and after books from contemporary homes to taxidermist homes. And in this case, we're putting together a before and after just on the exterior deferred maintenance. Because many buyer's agents, when they roll up to this home with a concrete roof, which they're not familiar with in my marketplace, in the Chicagoland market, there's not a lot of concrete roofs. A buyer or a buyer's agent are going to see all that in the before. They're going to see all that discoloration and think, wow, this is going to need a new roof. And that's going to be about a $100,000 investment. And it was really a $3,000 investment to clean the roof, have it deep cleaned, use materials, power wash, and it literally made a transformational look, not just on the roof, but also the flagstone patio, the retaining wall. First impressions are really important. I can't hammer home that point enough. And so if you have powerful before and after presentation books like I just shared with you as an agent, you're not only going to differentiate yourself from the other agents they're interviewing, but you'll also have a higher probability of that home selling faster for more money because you have case studies, you have before and after books. So I hope this was helpful to you. This was an exterior roof before and after, but you need to have exterior first impressions before and after, interior before and after, different style homes. As I mentioned, we have plenty of them that we provide to our coaching clients. I hope this video was valuable to you. Don't forget my contact information is below, and leave us a like, leave us a review if this is valuable. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or jump on our live streams, which we do each Friday called Luxury Fridays. And we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.